Here we have angle DZQ and angle QZP are complementary. Notice what complementary means. It means angles that add up to 90 degrees. Therefore, angle DZQ plus angle QZP is going to be equal to 90 degrees. So plug it in. 9x plus 5 plus 3x plus 1 is going to be equal to 90 degrees. Combine like terms. 9x and 3x becomes 12x. 5 plus 1 becomes 6. That's going to equal to 90. Minus 6 to both sides. This cancels out. 6 minus 6 becomes 0. 12x is equal to 84. Once you divide this 12 to both sides, x is going to be equal to 7. Notice now they want to find the measurement of angle DZQ. That's going to be equal to 9x plus 5. Okay, plug in the x, which is 7 plus 5. 9 times 7 it is 63 plus 5, that is 68. So we can say that this angle of DZQ right here is 68 degrees. All right, there you go.